In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw on top of an image on Photoshop. It's really simple. Don't overthink it. So I have a picture here. I typically like to make a copy of the background just in case something goes wrong. I don't want something to be faulty. So I'll just make a copy here. And then pretty simply, I'll just get the brush tool or the pencil tool and I'll just start writing. Now you can adjust these settings here up on the top left as far as the brush you want, the size of the brush, anything like that. And you can just go ahead and do anything you want. You can draw anything you want, really. And that is how you would draw on top of an image. And you can just delete the copy if you want. You can make another copy and keep doing it or put something specific there. It's fully up to you. And that way you don't hurt the image below you. And I'm just drawing a triangle here just so that you can see that you can draw on top of any image that you want without hurting the image below it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time in the next Photoshop video.